Hello, my name is JP Hofsteth. This is my prototype. As you can see, all you can see right now are the three devices and a door. Door says blue key is required. So obviously we should go to the blue device first. Now my dimensional shift device, as you saw, has an indicator on the outside. As you step in, it looks like you can see through it, but when you step in, the panels all go dark to indicate that you've stepped in. Once you hit the middle, it actually stops the player in place, disabling movement until it's done operating. You hear the sounds play as well as the particles, spark particles play as well while you're in the device. And then everything in the blue dimension, since that one is set to blue, pops up. Now I have only one blueprint for my multiple dimensions. The dimensions change based on the color selected, which is editable. So picked up the blue key. As you can see, there's now a red and green one. I can join green. Again, all the lights flicker, particles flash, sounds go off, and now all the green walls appear and all the blue walls disappear. And then the bed will do the same thing. All of this happens by pretty much just setting options on the items themselves. If you look, I actually have all of them in the game, but each of these blueprints talk to the dimensional shift device. When the dimensional shift device operates, depending on the color, it sets out an event dispatcher to tell the color of that dimension to turn on or to pretty much it's just a bool, either hidden in game or not hidden in game, and then bools to also control whether or not you can interact with items or whether or not they have collision, and these are turned on and off by the dimensional shift device. So the device just communicates to everyone else, hey, turn on, it's your dimension, or hey, turn off, it's not your dimension. So that's how this mechanic works. The person just, as you notice, walks on top of it. I thought at one point about putting a button on there, but I kind of like the just walk on or the on overlap function of it. Makes it a little bit easier in my mind for the game. As you can see, I made it so you have to get both keys in order to actually progress through. And there you go, that's the basis of my mechanic. Just a device that turns on and off different actors based off of what color I set the front to, which, as you can see, if I went to the actual device, you can set on the outside here. So like if you notice on these ones, it's just whatever color I've set this to, my code takes that color, interpolates it, and that's the dimension that you go through. So you have the green one and the blue one. It reads if it's blue. If it's blue, it turns everything blue. If it's green, it turns everything green. I have the default, if you notice, set to green, and then it just changes so that you can do all the different mechanics or do all the different things you want depending on the dimension that it shifts you to. Thank you for watching my video, and I hope you enjoy it, as I've enjoyed programming this.